Unraveling the mystery of Poppycock. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for your English learning journey. Today, we're going to demystify a rather colorful English word that you might have heard and wondered about: poppycock. Stick around to find out what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it without sounding, well, like poppycock. Poppycock is one of those words that sounds just as flamboyant as its meaning. Simply put, poppycock is a noun that means nonsense, foolish talk, or empty chatter. When someone utters something you believe to be untrue or simply ridiculous, that's when you call it poppycock. But be mindful, this word is quite informal and can come off as a bit old-fashioned. It's more likely to be found in written English or used for humorous or emphatic effect in spoken English. Have you ever wondered where such a quirky word comes from? Poppycock originates from the Dutch word Poppycock, which literally translates to soft dung or pap. The Dutch pap means something akin to soft food, and kak is a crude term for excrement. The term was likely borrowed into English in the 19th century, and thankfully, it's lost its grosser connotations over time, now just signifying something with no substance. Now, let's see how we can use poppycock properly. After hearing the outrageous claim, she exclaimed, "That's complete poppycock." He dismissed the rumors as nothing more than poppycock. Remember, it's a light-hearted word, so use it when the mood is not too serious. And it's definitely not a term for formal situations. And that's all there is to the word poppycock. It's a playful, old-timey way to express disbelief in something you hear that seems nonsensical. We hope you enjoyed this little linguistic adventure and that you'll join us again for more English language explorations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.